Hi guys, Shivang here. I hope you all are fine. I'm going to upload this video for the Vision Overseas. I got the visa of Australia with the help of Vision Overseas. See, right now I'm in Australia. I'm wearing the t-shirt of Metro Petroleum. In just a 6 month, I become the manager of Metro Petroleum. See, I have a lot of trouble in my file. I just want to go to Australia, not ever else, because Australia is the beautiful and the finest country for the student, for everyone, for the living, for expense, for study. The main thing is study. It's good for study. Universities are good for study. Yeah, the main thing is that I got a 6.5 bands in IELTS, 7 bands in reading, 7 bands in listening, 6.5 6 bands, sorry, 6 bands in writing, but I got a very less 5 band in speaking. So the universities are not going to give me offer letter, but special thanks to Abdul sir and Urvashi madam. Very special thanks to Urvashi madam. They manage my admission with the help of LE course. LE course, it's an English program for the 10 weeks. So for the 10 weeks I got a good opportunity to learn English, special English with the Australian lecturers, with the Australian atmosphere. See, a few months ago I got a 5 bands in speaking, but now I can easily speak, learn, read everything in English. It's very good. LE course is very good, and the special thing is that I got a second rank in LE course with the second highest rank. You know that. I guess I got around 76 out of 100. So it's equal to 6.5 overall bands in IELTS. Yeah, now back to the point. I went to the many consultancies, but they guided me like a shit. They don't ever guide a student in a very proper way. They just want the money from the student, that's it. But then finally I found a good consultancy with the help of my friends, and I went to the Vision Overseas. Then I met to the counselor, the head counselor of Vision Overseas, Urvashi madam. Especially very thankful to them, because my file is a very complicated file, because I have a lot of documents in finance, a lot of documents of my academic. See, my academic is good, but on the finance side, my finance side is not so good. But still, Urvashi ma'am manage in a very good manner. I guess I have around 60 to 65 documents